Here are a few tips to help you get the most out of the RV Life mobile app. And the app isn't just for Apple iPhones, it's for Android phones as well. RV Life Trip Wizard makes it easy to plan RV safe routes. Using a basic web browser, you're able to locate over 20,000 campgrounds with real reviews and over 57,000 points of interest, including fueling stations. Save time planning your next trip with RV Life Trip Wizard by scanning the QR code on the screen or click my affiliate link in the description box of this video. Plus, save 25% off your first year subscription and lock your rate. Thank you, RV Life Trip Wizard, for sponsoring this video. The RV Life app combines so many great features that make this information so accessible to you. One way to use the mobile app is to find your way to where you want to go. But the thing is, there's not always service in some of these areas. So the best way to fix this is to download the maps for offline use. After downloading the RV Life mobile app and logging in using your RV Life Pro or Trip Wizard login information, you have the ability to download your maps for offline use, meaning you do not need a mobile connection or even a Wi-Fi connection to use the maps. This is great when there is limited to no cell reception or any Wi-Fi. And after setting up your trip in Trip Wizard, you have the ability to use the mobile app for navigation. You could pull up your trips and navigate to your location with RV safe directions. And by having your route downloaded, you will have no issues finding where you need to go. Another really great resource is the article section of the mobile app. There is so much that goes into the RV lifestyle. It can be difficult to find information sometimes, and the RV Life mobile app puts this information at your fingertips. Here you're able to find so many articles that are at your disposal. Discover new things, maybe learn a few new tips and tricks. It's all here in the mobile application. Also in the RV Life app, you can see areas that are around your location, but you're also able to see your favorited locations from places that you visited previously and marked as favorite. Say you want to revisit one of your favorite places, but you've been to so many campgrounds, you can't exactly remember which one it is. By utilizing the favorites, you're able to revisit places that you've gone to and maybe stay again. With the RV Life mobile app's turn-by-turn RV safe directions, plus the offline map function, the mobile app is a must-have for any RV owner that does any kind of traveling. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you found this video valuable, and if you did, please smash that like and subscribe button. Comment down below, what is your favorite feature in the RV Life mobile app? Thank you so much for spending your time with me. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Hope to see you on the road.